Hi, this is the Realme 11 Pro and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. Open first the settings and tap to the sounds and vibration. You'll see here vibration and ring switcher. Don't disturb mode section. You could activate or turn on the don't disturb to set the schedule, the start, the end time, and to allow some calls, messages, and notifications from many people or apps. You could also silence media in don't disturb mode and to use it to ring for repeated calls. Here we got sound mode, ringing, vibration, and the silent one. You could use one from them. Here we got media, ringtone, notifications, and alarm volume panels. Just to change the volumes, we should slide to the left or to the right side. There's blue dots on each of the volume panels. We could also change ringtone and notification sound. To activate or turn off the Dolby items. In haptics and tones, we could use the system haptics or to turn them off. To activate or turn off the Dolby tones, screen lock unlock sounds, screenshot sounds, deletion sounds, animation sounds, fingerprint animation sounds, and the touch sounds. So to activate or turn off all of these options, we should use all of these switchers. And in more section, we could switch volume button function from the media. So now we have selected the media. This means that with the help of the volume buttons, we'll change the ringtone, the media volume. Now we have selected the ringtone, so with the help of the volume buttons, we'll change the ringtone volume. Also, we could switch the default device from how to select to just set on and to use in-ear monitoring option. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.